Allica Bank recently acquired Tuscan Capital, which is a specialist bridge finance lender. Seems like it was a decent acquisition, but doesn't say the amount that the loan book is worth. They do have a head of bridging who is spearheading its bridging distribution strategy. Justin Schaus, who was Director of Structured Property Finance at Lend Invest, has now come over to Allica and will be working on more of that. Looks like a good acquisition for Tuscan, and there's a team that has come over by the look of it, and it will support and accelerate lending on bridging to businesses in the UK.
How quickly can one business grow? They were the fastest growing UK business at one point, and now they're buying others. They've only been out for a little while. It's insane how fast they've been growing.
Yeah, but they do have their full banking license, and I guess that when you buy a loan book, there was 2,000 customers already that came as part of that. There will be several refinancing agreements that would have taken place from that book of customers. And also they have migrated more of those customers over to the current account that they provide. They've also done some really great work in the space in terms of interest-bearing accounts. And let's not forget that they've managed to also dramatically reduce the lead time to get commercial property loans. So I think actually this just speaks to the fact that they're very good at financial structuring, and they've had a good windfall behind them because perhaps there's not enough neobanks in that space that have been able to take those businesses that Barclays had let go of maybe a year ago, just partly because of the AML provisions had changed and the KYB around that was quite difficult for Barclays. They've had a bit of a success then picking up businesses who've had more than one director and turnover a few million in the UK. And that is their heartland. So the fact that they've now picked up another acquisition of something that's, again, short-term lending, to me just signals that that's the way that the market needs to move, and it needs to invest more in short-term financing in general, because I think that that's still a squeezed space and there's not enough money being advanced to SMEs on a short-term basis.